first joint primary live trade brief and weekly option session this morning with 50 of our new full throttle traders. Couldn't happen on a better day. Why? Because it's kind of nuts and everything's going on. We were looking really for this. You want to talk hope and change? Here's the hope rally. Trump gets elected. This is going to be awesome for Wall Street. Here's the let's level off the holidays. Let's sell the inauguration. No, let's not. All those folks who said sell the inauguration also predicted Clinton would win, and if Trump won, the market would go down 5 to 10%. They were wrong there. They were wrong here. We got long. But here's what happens. Immigration ban. Oh my God, this guy's Adolf Hitler. Movie stars crawling out of the woodwork. A little bit of instability. And this is funny. And this can be in the same paper. Wall Street Journal's Daily Shot. U.S. politics can get chaotic, but markets don't care yet. Really? Investors' risk aversion grows amid political turmoil. The markets care, folks. From Google, Uber, even Lloyd Blankfein. He's got four former squadron mates from Goldman Sachs, either in the cabinet or in senior roles in the administration. He blasted Trump and the immigration ban. I can't even call it that. How about enforcing the laws that are on the books? What a concept. So yeah, we're going to see a little bit of volatility. Earnings today, a slew of them kind of were not good. Under Armour imploded. A CEO left after about a year, off about 25% today. UPS, another miss. When you see a FedEx or a UPS or shippers starting to slow down, might indicate a little slowdown in the economy. Pfizer fell 1.2% after the company reported a decline in revenue and offered a full-year outlook well below Wall Street expectations. So a little bit of a pause here. It's really refreshing, personally, to me, to have he's not a politician. How about this? To have a man in office who lives up to his word. Hey, I said I'm going to do this if I get elected. God forbid I'm doing this. So I think this is way, way oversold. We're back to this like 2270-ish line that we hovered around Christmas, Kwanzaa, winter solstice. We pulled back here on, I think, 2 shares, right? Moose, Rocco, and Steve were trading, and then we went right back up. So in the joint brief this morning, I put on a weekly bull put spread, the 2260, 2255. It's already up about $300. Maybe I'll keep talking since this morning. And let's take a look at the full metrics of this trade. Risking about $5,800, potentially make $1,700 in 4 days with a 71% probability using at-the-money volatility. Those are nice stats. 73% probability of at least breaking even. So almost 3 out of 4 times this trade is going to make money. Also went through all of my existing positions in the model portfolio and reviewed an ExxonMobil long call diagonal with protective put for new traders. What are you talking about, Whiz? They came out with earnings today too, and they sucked. Yeah, it did, mainly because of one-off charges in Q4. A little lower oil prices in Q4, and something happened in the mountains with an impairment to a natural gas region in the Rocky Mountains. Okay, that's not going to happen again. So you have a Rex Tillerson put underneath ExxonMobil, folks. The guy was there for 45 years. And I think the last forecast I saw was they're supposed to double their earnings in 2017. So through that, I have that position on, but went through it with our new full throttle traders as a potential new trade to add. Also talked about volatility. We put on a bullish double vertical on VXX last week. Yesterday it was up $1,200, 45% in a week. I think now, last time I looked, it's up about $1,800. So nice volatility. A VXX hedge we put on last week that could potentially make nearly $1,800 to $2,000 in a week. I'd get out of that. I told my members this morning I'd close that and put a new one on. Okay, a lot of potential volatility going out through February. February is always a volatile month, folks. So I would definitely, if you're going to close that as one of my members, I definitely establish a new hedge on. Take some profits and put a new hedge on. Take some of those profits and maybe re-roll it into some of our longs that we like that are getting a little pulled down right now, like a Goldman Sachs. So love it. Trump, drags in drug CEOs. Hey, get prices down. Pharma's getting hammered. A lot of macroeconomic data today, from consumer confidence, the Conference Board's consumer confidence number, to a Chicago PMI that was a huge miss. Chicago PMI crashes to recession-fearing 11-month lows. Here's a nice headline. Betting on Trump. Buffett, who ain't no dyed-in-the-wool Republican, bought $12 billion in stocks since the election. Well, he would have really been the Oracle of Omaha if he had bought it here, kind of when I said, right? This entire fall, I said the polls are wrong. They're lying. Trump's going to win. Let's get long. So, wow, Buffett's really the sage for buying 12 billion after the election. How about before, when we said to get long all this stuff? So, I will take a victory lap on that. Biggest thing this week, yeah, we got the Fed meeting tomorrow. There's a snowball's chance in hell she raises rates tomorrow. Not going to happen. I think the non-farm payroll on Friday, it might move the market a little bit, but I keep an eye on average hourly earnings. Yeah, are we creating jobs? Yes or no? But are they making more money? If wages are stagnant to going down, it's really not super helping the economy. So I'll keep an eye on that for Friday. Other than that, like I said, things are looking great. I had all our new full throttle traders in there this morning and had a great session. So really looking forward to a great year. Okay, I will be back with Wednesday's market SITREP from Jacksonville, Florida, where I'll be heading on up to give a speech to one of the largest auto dealerships. Essentially owns the state of Florida as far as auto dealers. So I'll be coming to you from Jax, Florida. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge and